Hello friends, welcome to MedicMind. I am Dr. Deepak Srivastav, chest specialist and family physician, and today I will be talking about dog bite. Scary? Let's find out. Dog bites are scary because it can cause rabies if the dog has rabies. What is rabies? Rabies is a viral disease caused by the bite of a rabid animal. What is bite and what is a rabid animal? Let's break it down. Bite is when there is penetration of skin. Mere licking of intact skin or scratch by paws does not mean bite. Yes, licking of open wounds or contact of saliva of a rabid animal with a mucous membrane like inside covering of the mouth or eyes can transmit disease. So what is a rabid dog? A rabid dog is one who has already been bitten by another rabid animal. A rabid dog is aggressive, restless, scary, barking a lot, or scared of light, water, noises. Or there can be excessive frothing of saliva from the mouth. So in this way we can identify a rabid dog. But it can only be proven by lab tests whether the dog is suffering from rabies or not. The saliva of rabid animal contains rabies virus. After the bite, the virus attaches itself with the nerve. Along the nerve, it travels to the brain where it multiplies and causes disruption of all the normal brain function. This is mainly the cause of all the symptoms and the death. Once the disease has started, there is no way we can stop it. But onset of disease is 100% preventable. Now we will know how can we prevent it. It's not that the disease starts just after the bite. It takes almost 3 weeks to 3 months for the disease to start depending upon the site of the bite. There are 3 main ways by which we can prevent the onset of the disease, and now we will discuss how. The first thing to be done is wound care. We have to clean the wound, wash it with water and liquid soap for 10 to 15 minutes. If the wound is bleeding profusely, then we have to apply stitches to stop the bleeding and then wash it with water and liquid soap for 10 to 15 minutes. The dressing is done preferably using povidone, iodine or betadine, but other antiseptic creams can also be used. Using oil, turmeric, chili powder does not help at all, so please don't use this. After we have cleaned the wound, we have to give anti-rabies vaccine as soon as possible, preferably within 24 hours. There are 2 types of vaccine available. Both are equally good, equally potent, and any one of this can be chosen. There are 2 ways by which vaccine can be given, intramuscular or by intradermal route. Intramuscular route is the preferred one. It is easy to administer and it is recommended by WHO also. There are 2 sites where the vaccine can be given. Shoulder region or deltoid region in the adults or outer region of thigh in children. The vaccine is not given in the hip region or in the gluteal region because of the presence of excessive amount of fat which retards the absorption of vaccine. There is a fixed regime to be followed when we give anti-rabies vaccine. The vaccine is given on day 0, day 3, day 7, day 14 and day 28, where the day 0 stands for the day when we give the first dose of the vaccine. Normally the body starts producing antibodies after 14 days of the start of vaccination, and if it is proven that the dog is not infected, then we can stop the vaccination after giving the third dose. However, it is difficult to prove that the dog is not infected, so it is preferable to take full course of the vaccine which provide immunity for 6 months. If another dog bite happens after 6 months, you can take a single booster dose of vaccine which provides immunity for next 6 months. The third thing is to give immunoglobulins. They provide ready-made anti-rabies antibodies and provide immediate immunity. They are highly recommended in deep wounds close to head and neck and in immunocompromised persons. The wound is thoroughly infiltrated with immunoglobulin, and if some dose is left, it is given by deep intramuscular injection away from the site of bite. The immunoglobulins are given along the first dose of vaccination, and they are not recommended to be given after the 7th day of vaccination, as they can suppress the immune response to the vaccine already given. So friends, though rabies is a deadly disease, but it is 100% preventable. So take good care, adequate precautions, take full vaccinations. If you have any queries, do write in the comment box. I hope this video has provided you some useful information. Please like, share and subscribe. See you soon in the next video.